In this video, you will add text to your event logo. Don't worry about including all of the event details. You can include those on your flyer and website, but do include the name of the event. You can add text using a text box or WordArt. A text box allows you to modify text as you would in a word processor, like Google Docs. WordArt has more style options, but the text is modified as one block. To start, insert a text box. Click anywhere on your canvas to create a text box, or drag the box to a specific size. Then type your text. To modify the style, size, and color, highlight the text you would like to change. Then modify it using the toolbar. Click and drag to reposition the text box. Next, insert WordArt. Type your text. To enter text on a different line, press Shift and Enter at the same time. Press Enter. Your text appears on the canvas in a default style and color. To change the color of the letters, select a fill color from the toolbar. To change the outline of the letters, adjust the line color. You can only choose one color combination. If you like different colors of text, insert more WordArt or text boxes. Once you've added text to your logo, move on to the next video to learn about more advanced editing options. Now it's your turn. Add text to your logo using WordArt or text boxes. Keep the text large and short so you can use your logo for multiple products. Color, resize, and tilt your text to fit your design.